It's X12 extended testing again. It's time to test out some Game Boy. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to test out some X12. And this time we're going to check out the Game Boy part on it. If it runs like it should be. Are you ready for it? I am! Let's go! Alright, one of my favorite games. I really love the soundtrack. So far I can see and hear everything seems to be running pretty smooth. I really love this game so much. I played this as a child over and over again. The soundtracks, I just really think Wario is awesome. This dashing move. I was trying to play Killer Instinct. First you saw the decal. It took forever to go away. Then I saw Killer Instinct, the decal, and now again it's just freezing. So it seems to be that not every game is running. So for the final conclusion, it's possible for the people who want to know to use the original screen size. If you don't like widescreen, the game seems to be running fine, good frame rate, good sound, but not all the games are booting up. So for example, Killer Instinct is just freezing and Tetris is not booting up. So but that can be a file issue. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit that little bell. And see you next time. Bye bye.